So you can see in the video, what I've done is filled the pilot bearing full of grease as much as I can, and a lot of guys use pullers and other weird things to do. All I do is a bolt with tape on it close to the diameter of that and a hammer. Alrighty, got my bolt hole filled. Too much is slipping past it, I think. Maybe not. Maybe I just need to give it a good enough whack. It's definitely coming, but it's still fighting me a little bit. You can see it's farther out. I'm going to fill it with some more grease. You can hear the air escaping. There it is. Just like that, guys. It's really easy.